Okay, for number 22. For number 22, it's a pretty straightforward question. What we want to do is to write a set of inequalities. We do not need to solve. We just need to write a set of inequalities, and that's really it. And what do we do here? Let's go ahead and read the description. So Jimmy currently works 2 jobs, very hardworking, to save some money for his summer trip. Nice. His target is to make at least $300 each week. He has a total of 25 hours for his part-time jobs each week. His job at the movie theater pays him $8 per hour, and his job at a grocery store pays him $12 per hour. Write a system of inequalities to represent this setting. Okay, so we say, all right, let's go ahead and write a set of inequalities for this setting. Now, but before we do that, we need to set some variables, and this is probably the most important part for the whole process. Okay, it doesn't seem like it's very hard, but it is the most important part because you've got to have these variables. And what's more is to define what these variables are. Now, some people would just put down M for movie theater, G for grocery store. That's not good at all, because you've got to specify that this is the number of work hours. These variables are representing, and we don't know the number of work hours at the movie theater. And then we have the number of work hours at the grocery store. Okay. So these are the variables, and you must declare, you must specify what they are. If not, we've got a problem. So you have, what do you have here? We have the hours. So these 2 amount of working hours, they must add together, and it cannot be more than 25 because he has only up to 25 hours. And then, now let's talk about the pay. Now, the pay, it's going to be more than $300. Now, it's not going to be M plus G because those are the hours, no money. So what about the money? Well, we have 2 sources of money, right? We have one source that is from the movie theater, and then we have this another source which is from the grocery store. So the money from the movie theater would be, well, it's $8 per hour, right? $8 per hour, and depends on how many hours that he's working. So therefore 8M. And then we have $12 an hour at the grocery store, but that's just for 1 hour. So for total amount of money from the grocery store will be 12G. So that's how you have the set of inequalities. Okay, nothing worth memorizing. It's just understanding the statements, the given sentences there, understand the scenario, and then use the tools to meaningfully express the situation, the scenarios. Okay.